Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. This is Amirash and I welcome you to another amazing session of Sprint Revision X for CBSE Class 10 Biology chapter Life Processes, and the topic that we'll be dealing with today is transportation, the most important topic from both perspective from this chapter of life processes. So let's have a look at the things that we've already done and the things that we need to complete. Nutrition, respiration already completed. In case you are unaware, please check out all the videos through the playlist. Today we'll be doing transportation, and in the next session we'll be doing excretion, which will finish up your chapter. So have a look at the schedule. We have nutrition, respiration done, and now we are doing transportation right now and excretion at 7 p.m. each. Okay. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe so that you can get notifications. Before starting, I have a very positive quote for you. Believe in yourself and anything is possible. Just we need is the faith. The faith in ourselves that we can do, and that this faith will help us to actually achieve our goals. Yes, so with that positivity, we are starting with today's session with the first question on your screen. Which of the following helps in conduction of water and minerals during transpiration pull? So I have transpiration pull in this way, right? So which of the following helps? Is it xylem? Is it phloem? Is it stomata? Is it vascular cavity? See guys, remember whenever you hear the term water and minerals, it is always and always xylem, always, because phloem is associated with food, stomata with gaseous exchange and transpiration, vascular cavity we are not talking about. Whenever water and minerals, xylem, food, phloem, right? Okay, question 2. Which among the following is normally found in blood? Trypsin, lipase, amylase, hemoglobin. Too easy guys. Trypsin, lipase, amylase or hemoglobin? Quickly. What do you think? Okay. See, trypsin, lipase and amylase, they are related to the digestive system. Hemoglobin is related to blood, which is found in RBCs. I hope you all are aware about it. Clear? Which is the respiratory. What is it guys? You need to let me know what is hemoglobin. Yes, it transports oxygen, right everybody? Okay. The side of leaf which has more number of stomata is upper side of the leaf, margins of the leaf, lower side of the leaf, none of the above. Quickly, you have 10 seconds. I'm giving 10 seconds. I want all the responses within 10 seconds in the chats. Okay, and your time's up. Definitely it's lower side of the leaf. Why more stomata are present at the lower side of the leaf? Because at the upper side of the leaf, if stomata are present, then there will be more of transpiration, and then if there will be more of water loss, then more water has to be compensated. So to avoid that, the more stomata are present at the lower side of the leaf. Clear? Okay. Identify the part from the given diagram which carry oxygenated and deoxygenated blood from the following. This is the diagram given to you, A, B, E, D, C, F. So just go through the options and tell me, what do you think? Tell me guys. Yes, and I was telling you about hemoglobin. So hemoglobin is basically the respiratory pigment, okay, of our body, which carries oxygen. Just for your information, I've told you. And here lower side of the leaf, you know, more stomata are present for gaseous exchange and all that. Now tell me everyone, what do you think? Can I say that A is right ventricle, B is left ventricle, E is right atrium, F is left atrium, and I'm able to see that C is, if I am not wrong, pulmonary artery, and D is pulmonary vein. So now can't you, oxygenated blood will be carried by left atrium, left ventricle and pulmonary vein. So D, B, F. Oxygenated D. Just a second, let me erase the ink on the slide to get a better idea. See, B, F and D. ABC wrong, BAC wrong, ABF wrong, BFD or BDF, and deoxygenated ACE. So this is the answer. B is what? Left ventricle. D is pulmonary vein, which carries oxygenated blood from the lungs towards The heart in the left atrium, right? Then F is left atrium. So left portion is oxygenated. Right portion is deoxygenated. Remember that. And the thing, the muscular organ which is separating is septum. That is known as septum. Clear? And ACE, you know, A is right ventricle. Then E is right atrium, and C is pulmonary artery, the only artery which carries deoxygenated blood away from the heart to the lungs. I hope this is the summary of your double circulation. Match the following. Can't we do that? What are valves? Valves prevent backflow of blood. So A is 3. Clear? In this way, B gets eliminated because here they are saying A is 1, which is wrong. Pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood. So in this way, C gets eliminated. Platelets help in coagulation of blood. So C should be 1. So A gets eliminated and the answer becomes D. And pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood. From the right ventricle to the lungs, because pulmonary word is associated with lungs, and pulmonary vein from lungs to the left atrium. Okay, let's have an assertion reason question. Assertion says translocation of sugar occurs through the phloem. Reason says it is achieved by diffusion of sugar through phloem. What should be the answer? Quickly. First, let me know if this is true or false. If this is true or false, and then let's try to relate them if we are able to relate. How much time has been done? Just 6 minutes, and we are on the 6th question. Quickly, let's maintain the speed. Your time's up. The answer is assertion is true, reason is false, because it is not achieved. Let me change the pen. Okay, this is not achieved by diffusion. No, not at all. Clear? Okay, we have a case study based question now. Case based, super important. Super important. So please pay attention now. Okay. First question says the blood vessel which carries deoxygenated blood and originates from the right ventricle to enter the lungs are the. Now pay attention over here, everybody. What the question is trying to say. I'll make the diagram. The blood vessel which carries this, suppose these are the 4 chambers of heart: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. This box is for lungs. Okay, this box is for body parts, and they are connected in this way. Okay, so you can do that, and yeah, suppose this is the thing. So they are saying the blood vessel which carries deoxygenated blood and originates from the right ventricle to enter the lung. From the right ventricle, they are saying from the right ventricle towards the lungs, which is that vena cava is wrong because vena cava takes from the body parts to the right atrium. So this is wrong. Aorta is wrong because it carries oxygenated blood from the left ventricle to the body parts. Pulmonary vein and pulmonary artery can be confusing, but the answer is pulmonary artery because pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood. This is the only exception that we have. Clear? Okay. Now, which of the following is the correct option for the valve marked as X? So here is a valve marked as X, which is between the left atrium and left ventricle. This is right atrium, this is right ventricle. I have already told you pulmonary semilunar, aortic semilunar, tricuspid, bicuspid. We know semilunar valves are related to basically the lungs and all. Okay, because they are in this shape, semilunar shape. Okay. Tricuspid, bicuspid, what do you think? Okay, tricuspid is not going to be the answer. The answer is bicuspid or mitral valve. Okay, it is also known as mitral valve, which is between the left atrium and left ventricle. As soon as the blood from left atrium flows through the left ventricle, this valve closes, so that the blood cannot go back to the left atrium and it flows in only one direction. Clear, everyone? Thank you so much. Okay, because of muscles of dash relaxes, the blood is able to enter the heart. So it is quite conceptual. The muscles of what relax, the blood is able to enter the heart. Atria, ventricles, atria. Atria relaxes, ventricle contracts, ventricle relax, atria contract. So when relaxes is already given, contracts get eliminated automatically. Now the confusion can be between atria relaxes, atria relaxes or ventricle relax. So remember, whenever ventricle relax, then what happens? Who's gonna tell me? Quickly tell me in the charts. Okay, I hope I'm getting as many answers because you're testing yourself. The blood is able to enter the heart, they are saying. So for entering the heart, atria have to relax. Remember, because atria do the work of collection of blood, whereas ventricles do the job of what? Transporting or sending the blood. So that makes the difference, because of which when the atria muscles are going to relax, blood is able to enter the heart because atria are collecting the blood, so it will enter. And when ventricles relax, the blood is able to go away from the heart. Okay, when the ventricles relax, relaxing means means taking the blood in. That is the concept. I hope you got it. So if they are saying the blood is able to enter the different parts of the body, then ventricles through aorta it goes. Clear? Now I have a homework question for you. Strong forces of attraction exist between water molecules. Give an account of the importance of these forces in raising water to great height in trees. So this you need to let me know in the comments. Clear, everybody? And we have successfully completed nutrition, respiration, transportation. In the next session, we'll be doing excretion on 29th. So do attend that. And thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And bye-bye.